So I wanted to briefly explain how we do patches and stuff like that. I didn't get a chance to film this yesterday, so I kind of laid everything out to sort of go over what we did. So this floor was actually in very good shape. And you never know what you're dealing with until after you get it actually ground and you can really see what's going on. So there was a crack here. It wasn't a real big crack, but what we did was we're going to repair it. So you got a good foundation here. So the first thing you do with a crack repair is you run it out with a chase blade, and that opens it up. Then after you get it open, you don't want to chase it out a little bit more with a wire brush. And what that does is that opens up the crack and it gets rid of all the loose stuff. So that when you put your patching compound in there, it actually gets something to grab onto and all the loose stuff is out of there, so you get a real good bind. So when we make our patching stuff, this is actually epoxy. It's got a little bit of the grindings in it and some thickener. So when we mix this up, it's like peanut butter, and you can see how hard that stuff gets. So now, yesterday we took off about 4 coatings, and for that we used the PCBs, which are like this. And what this is actually a scraper, and it's got a trailing diamond, so it's scraping off all that old coating, and then it's putting a grind on. So now today, we're going to do a little detail grinding, and then we're just going to switch back to regular diamonds. These are 30 grit, these are kind of rough. So you're going to take this right off, and if there's a little area or two that we want to even out, we're going to do that today with just our regular diamonds.